we are going to look at the three types of cloud computing, which are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Let's discuss them one by one. So the first one is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service is a cloud computing service where enterprises rent or lease servers for compute and storage in the cloud. Users can run any OS or applications on the rented servers without the maintenance and operating costs of those servers. So this is the one where you manage the server, which can be physical or virtual, as well as the operating system. A good example of this is Amazon's EC2. Then we have platform as a service. In the platform as a service model, developers essentially rent everything they need to build an application, relying on a cloud provider for development tools, infrastructure, and operating systems. Platform as a service vastly simplifies web application development from the developer's perspective. All backend management takes place behind the scenes. This is great for developers, as all you have to do as a developer is worry about your application's code and everything else is taken care of for you. A good example of this is Amazon's Elastic Beanstalk. Next we have software as a service. Software as a service is a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. So this is basically a software licensing model in which access to the software is provided on a subscription basis, with the software being located on an external server rather than on servers located in-house. The easiest example you can think of for this is Gmail. That's it for this lecture. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.